Today I'm going to show you a quick demo of Salesforce Einstein Chatbot. Salesforce Einstein is an artificial intelligent layer on top of Salesforce, which allows you to do certain actions such as discovery, prediction, recommendation, and automation of certain useful tasks. So for example, in terms of chatbot demo, let's assume that you're in customer or your customer lands on your website and they see a traditional live chat window on their on the website, and they fill in certain details that are required. We can configure, of course, the inputs that we take from the users. So now what's going to happen, instead of directing user to an actual support agent, Einstein bot's going to trigger and it's going to ask for certain information. It welcomes the customer automatically, and then it's going to ask for further information based on user selection and the prompts that we set up or dialogues that we set up in the configurations. For example, in this case, if user selects donations and education, they can then set Einstein bot can ask certain questions that might be required. So this is how we can link those questions or dialogues, and then based on the inputs we can either we can transfer them to the agent. For example, when user clicks on transfer to agent, that's when the actual support agent comes into picture, and they can they can accept the chat and continue from there on. So this is how in a nutshell chatbot is set up. This is a very basic setup, and to configure that we need to enable Salesforce Einstein, of course, and in the Einstein bot builder we can then set up certain dialogues and link them, and we can also make them intelligent by providing intent to those dialogues. So that's how, in a nutshell,